Hello guys. So today I'm just going to do, I don't know if it's gonna work out, trying to do a tutorial on how to find a key of any singer. Oh yeah, maybe most people, a lot of pianists, keyboardists, they struggle to find a key. You might hear in your church, maybe you've heard a keyboardist to go like this. They are trying to find a key. So our instrument has got 12 keys. So if you check some of the keyboard, they've got a transpose up to -12 and the other one up to +12. Yeah. So for professional players, they don't need to change the key. They don't use to use the transpose because they are able to play all the 12 major. Yeah, this is C. So if someone said, oh, I sing in C, if you can play the white keys, there's no need for you to find the transpose. You just go straight to play the white keys. If they say, I sing in C sharp, this is our C sharp note. So if you know the C sharp, you can play the C sharp. Don't need to find the transpose. You play the C sharp, you play the D, you can just move. This is the D. So as for me, I play all the 12 major, but of course most people see me transposing to F sharp, but I can play, if you want me to play in G, I do. All right, anyways, so if you don't know all these codes now, suppose you're still using transpose like myself, you then need to know how to find the key. So besides knowing the scale, what I do myself is, if someone starts singing Makanaka Jeso, Makanaka Jeso, I can tell the key is a bit sharp. So usually what I do myself, I come to the bottom C and I'll start to do like this. But what you need now, because you might be doing this, but you need to train your ear or to know what exactly are you looking for. So what you'll be looking for is the root note or root chord for that song. Makanaka Jeso. So at the back of your mind, keep playing Jeso. So when you are doing this, you're finding a note that is resonating with the so. So usually use the trick of the last word in a verse, right? Any song. Makanaka Jeso, munoita minana nezvirati dzo. Or the last word or later. Dzo, keep humming it. Dzo, 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 dzo. You see? Makanaka Jeso, so. You see? So after I've done that, there's a skill that I use. When you are playing in F sharp or any other chord, we did that number line at school. You are still doing it, which is take F sharp, the chord that you are playing in, as your 0. Going to your right will be +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6 going up. if you come to back to 0, this is going to be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 going down. That's why our transpose the function has got the -0, -1 up to -12, or -1, +1 up to +12. Some they end -6 or +6. Yeah. So after I've done that, suppose you see I was finding a key and makanaka just so. Suppose I found my key in this on this note. So if you don't play G sharp, you see what I'm doing? It's because I play G sharp. So if you can play G sharp, there's no need for you to save the transpose. You can just start playing. But if you don't play the G sharp, but now the only chord that you play is F sharp, you then now need to come to your 0. F sharp is your 0 +1 +2. So this is +2. So you go on your transpose function, you press it to +2. So if you start to play now, it's now resonating, it's synchronizing with the voice. You see, this the main thing is when I did this, I found it in G sharp. So what we are just trying to do now, I'm playing in G, but the fact that you can't play in G, you want to transpose or to transfer this sound into this, right? So you want like to move this sound into this note that you can play, or the chord that you can play. That's why they put the function button. So with 1, 2, so they're just 2 steps. So you just come, if you come and put this, you see I've changed, it's now -2 and I'm playing in F sharp. If I change it back to 0, 0 and play, it sounds the same. If it's on 0, 0 and I'm playing in G sharp, it sounds the same. If I put it in on -2 and play in F sharp, it still sounds the same. Why? Because I've transferred the sound from this note or this chord to this chord. So that's basically what you need to know. Use the last verse or the last letter of the song. Munoita minana nezviratidzo mune simba muropa Jesu. Even if the person continues singing, you just so, right? Up until you found it. After you found it, if you don't transpose, start playing that chord. If you are still transposing, then take your F sharp as your 0, count -1, -2, -3. Oh, then you sing in -3, then you set your -3, then you start playing your song. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you want me to do or clarify a bit more, ask and I'll do that.